In this guide, I'm going to show you how to protect yourself from the emblem stealing glitch here in PS4 and PS5 for Black Ops 2. Intro. If you don't know what the emblem stealing glitch is, we actually have a full video teaching you how to do it. I know, pretty ironic that we're making this video, right? But we're trying to cater to both of y'all. But essentially it allows people to steal your emblems using a time button combination, and to actually prevent this, you're going to want to create several blank emblems before adding the design that you actually want. So open up Barracks and you're going to see emblem editor right here. You need to select it, scroll down, and create a bunch of just blank emblems. So if you just go ahead and choose some random stuff, and you could just put anything on here, make it super boring, right? And then go ahead and back out and save. It pretty much prevents someone from getting your exact emblem, just like so. Since the glitch really only works with emblems shown on the first page, you could also try moving your design to a page that's not as easily accessible. Something like page 2 will prevent people from stealing it, and that's really all you gotta do. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.